In this video, I'll show you how to set up closing deals in under 10 minutes so you can start capturing leads and closing deals right away. Once you sign up, your organization and workspace are already created. Just click into your workspace to get started. You'll land on your dashboard. This is where you can see your deals, upcoming meetings, and overall performance. We'll come back to this later. Now let's create your first lead. Go to the Leads page and click the plus icon. Here, you can create a contact, a company, or both together. Fill in the basic details and create your lead. Once it's created, you can open it to see all the information, activity, and anything related to that lead in one place. Next, let's set up custom fields. Go to Settings, then Custom Fields, and click Create. This allows you to capture specific information for your business, like budget, service type, or anything important to your sales process. You can create fields for contacts, companies, deals, and activities. Now let's connect your integrations. Go to Settings, then Integrations, and connect your Google Calendar. Just click Connect and authorize it. Once connected, you can set your availability so leads can book time with you. Now let's set up your lead capture system. Go to Lead Gen, then Bookings, and create a form. Inside the form, you can customize the design, add fields, or custom fields. If you want to ask additional questions that don't need to be stored in the CRM, you can add those as form questions. Once your form is ready, copy the script and paste it on your website. Then toggle it live to start capturing leads. Chatbots work the same way. You can create, customize, and install them on your site to capture and qualify leads automatically. Now let's create a deal. Open a lead, click Create Deal, and set the value. This turns your lead into an opportunity you can track. From here, you can move the deal through your pipeline and close it when it's won. As deals move forward, everything will reflect on your dashboard, including revenue, meetings, and performance. At this point, you have a complete system. Leads come in through forms or chat, book calls through your calendar, and move through your pipeline until they're closed. That's how to set up closing deals.